हेलो। आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 39 सॉल्व करने वाले हैं फ्रॉम ISS 2019 पेपर 1। तो आइए देख लेते हैं कि इस क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा गया है। यहाँ पर एक रैंडम वेरिएबल x दिया गया है with its PDF, and the PDF is equals to 3x square divided by 2, where the support of x is -1 to 1. Okay. Now we have to find the value of expectation of modulus of x and variance of modulus of x. तो अब हमें यहाँ से एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करना है which is x to y, where y is equals to modulus of x. Okay, let y is equals to gx, where gx is equals to modulus of x. Therefore g is a function such that it is a mapping from -1 to 1 to 0 to 1. Okay, so g is a function such that it is a mapping from -1 to 1 to 0 to 1. And if we let that gix is equals to modulus of x for all I 1 2, therefore g1 is such that -1 to 0 to 0 to 1, and g2 is such that 0 to 1, it is a mapping to 0 to 1. Okay, now as we assume that y is equals to gx is equals to modulus of x, therefore it is equals to minus x, then g1 inverse is equals to h1, therefore we can write that x is equals to h1 y, which is equals to minus y. Okay, I repeat this portion again. As we assume that y equals to gx is equals to modulus of x, let it is minus x, as modulus of x take two values, minus x and plus x. So first of all, we assume that modulus of x equals to minus x, therefore we let that g1 inverse is equals to h1, therefore x is equals to g1 inverse y, which is equals to h1y, therefore h1y is nothing but minus y. Now there is another one possibility. Again we write y equals to gx equals to modulus of x. Now we take only positive x value and let g2 inverse is equals to h2, and this implies that x is equals to h2y, which is equals to only y. Okay, therefore at last we get the value of our required random variable y, the value of the PDF of required random variable y, as I, where y is 0 to 1, f of x minus y with Jacobian del del y minus y, plus I 0 to 1 f of x plus y with Jacobian del del y, where I 0 to 1 is an indicator function. Okay, now f of x minus y, that means 3y square divided by 2 plus here we get 3y square divided by 2 again. Therefore these two terms are same, therefore we can write 3y square whenever y is 0 to 1. Therefore the PDF reduces to 3y square. The PDF reduces to 3y square when y is 0 to 1 and 0 otherwise. Now expectation of modulus of x, which is nothing but expectation of y, which is equals to 0 to 1 y 3 y square dy. This results in 3 multiplied by integration y cube dy, which results in 3 by 4. Now expectation of modulus of x square, which is nothing but expectation of y square, is results in y square 3y square dy 0 to 1, that is 3 by 5. Therefore variance of modulus of x, which is nothing but variance of y, is equals to expectation of y square minus expectation square y. Now expectation of y square is 3 divided by 5 and expectation square y is 9 by 16, which results in 48 minus 45, therefore 3 by 80. So the variance is 3 by 80 and the mean is 3 by 4. Therefore D is the correct answer. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.